hope everyone's doing well today. If you watched my latest video, you will remember that I was sharing some vintage postcards and some stickers and little tags and stubs that I brought back from our trip to Paris. I had said that I would come up with some ways to use them, and so I didn't think I'd do it so fast, but I worked on some things yesterday and this morning, and I wanted to show you what I came up with. So I hope this shows okay on camera because of the glass in here, but I made a shadow box with some of the Paris things. So on the bottom I used some scrapbook paper, just with, I cut up the edges with some fancy scissors and layered pieces of that. And then I added the vintage postcard with the Eiffel Tower on it and some of the pink blossoms that you can see poking through there. I added some pieces of map from places in Paris. You can see the Eiffel Tower on there as well, and some other famous places. And then I added some words like moments and amazing and the Paris sign, and then added some little bling. I made a little tassel with the black beads on there. I added a little statue of the Eiffel Tower. I don't know if you can see it down there on the bottom there with some vintage lace on it. I used some of the vintage tags in there with the little birds on it as well. And then in the corner here I added some scrapbook paper with some script on there, this little sticker here, and I added some extra bling, some vintage lace here as well, and this little bird charm that I just stitched on with some thread and ribbon, and it says Paris under there as well with a little bit of bling. And so yeah, I added some bling up the side here. I thought it turned out pretty cute. I wanted to share that with you. And then the next thing I did with one of the black and white vintage postcard photos that I bought, I put it in a frame. I'm not sure how well this is going to show, but I put it in this frame and just a black and white matting on the back. And then I added, made this little pocket on here, a little envelope in black and white polka dots. And here, I just hope I'm holding this right. And I just filled it with like some little tags from our trip, places we went. I put a little vintage bird tag in there with a little map on there, and then I just added some words like love, and just says Paris region. That's little flowers on there. And yeah, I think it turned out really cute. And so yeah, I just wanted to share those with you. So thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye for now.